He's going to
You hear him? He's making fun of him.
God, I have to.
I hear him down that bottom. I can hear him.
Joey, you can't go that slow. Look over it.
He ain't.
I'm out backwards.
Heather's gonna have a heart attack. That's why he ain't going all the way, I don't think.
Someone's gonna have an aneurysm.
Now he has fun doing this because he just likes to hear little squalls.
Well, it must be steep or not off.
Yeah.
He's like, oh my God.
No, don't get hurt. Don't do nothing crazy. If he's going to climb it, he can climb that hill. He's going to have to hit it harder than that. He just test running.
Okay.
I ain't going to allow him to get hurt. He'd hurt himself before he hurt them.
Yeah, but you gotta figure it
Can't
out.
control it.
Yeah.
She's like, no!
Stay over, go or no?
No. Look.
I think they're going to go up and come down. Man, I really thought that thing would go over there. It will. You can't go as far as you're straight.
Yeah, but you can't go too much faster because you hit that hump up there and you jump it.
Jump it.
You gotta have the speed to hit that hump.
Oh, hell, he's gonna come down the whole
No, he ain't. He's backing up.
He hit it.
No, he's coming down the second one.
I'm gonna get back up.
No, they're gonna be like, oh,
my
no,
God,
that's
I
the
don't want
person.
him to go down that one. He got screwed up. Joey,
Look
please.
at Heather's side of the face.
Joey, please, give it the gas.
You are getting this, right, Andrew?
Yep, oh yeah.
Joey can, my God, please, Joey. I know, he needs to give it gas. Or
He's on a level spot right there.
You can't go back up it.
if he can't work the hook, let's get behind.
No, well, you go ahead.
She's still squalling in their own level.
I'd be squalling too. I'd be scared to death.
Getting that old. I was like, get me out of this bitch.
He's coming down.
Joey just scared me being whenever that one. You got that one there. I go over,
He's gonna come down that other one.
but I'm giving the throttle when I come through there.
Yes,
Well,
we know how
Hey,
you
please,
do it.
Joey.
Pop Willie.
Look, now Sugar's watching. She knows where she's at.
You like that battery, don't you?
We found her at the pound.
Did you?
17 bucks.
This looks like Autumn's,
With her 5-way shot and her license.
except hers is smaller. She's a little smaller than her, or he is. And he was
Look at
like
her.
a
Look at her.
$300 dog.
Yeah.